Okay, we start the film. Let's make a movie. We are here on the lake from Caldaro. That's a middle great lake southern of South Tyrol, from northern Italy, and we going around, we skating around on our ice skates around the lake. You can see very amazing, wonderful panoramic. My name is Günther, called Gunter Ginte, and this is my parent Kukumax, called Kukumax, Thomas. So we are here and we let you watching the lake from Caldaro, just for hobby, and what can I say, nothing else. So my parents running a little faster. Now it's very difficult to stay behind him. Alright, now we stop it here.